Hello all, you are on the channel Funny Origami. Happy to create for you crafts from paper and inspire you to make paper masterpiece. Do not forget to subscribe ahead, a lot of interesting ideas and fun moments. Be sure to write a comment if you have difficulties with this or that trick. We are happy to prompt you and look forward to your likes. So let's start a new craft. Doing origami is not just a pleasant pastime. Origami develops creativity and patience in both adults and children. When you do origami, your mind relaxes, developing fine motor skills that are very useful for coordination and the nervous system. Watch our videos more often, they do good. Do not forget to subscribe and like, it will encourage us to create more videos.